Storytime Haven presents Jojo's Daydreams. Let's practice the letter V sound with Jojo. That's Jojo. Jojo would like to learn to play the violin. Violin. His sister loves to play the violin. Violin. Jojo would like to go for a ride in his mom's van. Van. He'd like to go all around the neighborhood in her van. Van. Jojo is feeling hungry. He'd like to eat some vegetables. Vegetables. He'd like a tasty sandwich with vegetables. Vegetables. The end. Thank you for watching Storytime Haven. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to keep smiling and shining. See you next time.